Ever wondered how some articles on Medium explode in popularity, while others just to Euros sit there? Let's dive into crafting trending posts on Medium. Step 1: Topic discovery. To create content that resonates, we need to tap into what people are already talking about. Head over to Medium's homepage and explore the featured stories. Pay attention to the topics that consistently appear also. Browse the topics section, see what's buzzing, what problems people are trying to solve, and what new trends are emerging in areas like technology, personal development, or even niche creative fields. Step 2: Headline power. Your headline is your first impression. It needs to be compelling, clear, and promise a benefit to the reader. Use strong verbs, ask engaging questions, and incorporate keywords that people are searching for. Think about what pain point your article solves or what unique insight it offers. A/B test different headline ideas if possible, but always prioritize clarity and reader benefit. Next up, Step 3: Formatting for readability and engagement. Medium readers are often scanning. Make your content easy to digest. Use clear H2 and H3 headings to break up your text. Employ bullet points and numbered lists for quick takeaways. Incorporate high-quality, relevant images or graphics to visually break up the content and illustrate your points. Short paragraphs keep the reader engaged, and bold text can highlight key phrases. Finally, Step 4: Strategic distribution. Don't just publish and pray. Share your article across your social media channels, tag relevant publications or writers who might be interested. Engage with comments on your article, and on related discussions, consider submitting your post to popular Medium publications within your niche. The more eyes on your content, the higher the chance it will trend. By focusing on trending topics, crafting irresistible headlines, optimizing your formatting, and actively distributing your content, you'll be well on your way to making trending posts on Medium. Go forth and create.